Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to understand the advanced fill functionalities in Microsoft Excel. Those are all dragging numbers, months, days, how to add custom list or how to delete the custom list, and also fill down or right. So let us start with the dragging numbers. So if you're simply typing here number 10, and if you once drag down, see what happens. System not able to understand what we are expecting. So system is only carrying the same value. Right, one more example. If you are typing only number 1, and if you once drag it down to same, system again taking care of only number 1. System is not able to understand what we are exactly expecting. So if you once type 1 and 2 and 3, and if you once drag down, now system is understanding that we are expecting plus 1. So system added 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, right? And here I'm going to write as 10 plus 20. So then system will understand, okay, we are expecting the increment of 10 on each cell, right? So we simply select these two cells and simply just drag down. Then you may understand that 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now I'll just make one more here, 10 and 50. What, just simply select the both and simply just drag down. Now you may understand the difference between each cell is at 40, right? And next we just start with the months. So if you once type January, if you once type Jan, if you once drag it down, system is automatically getting Jan to November and so on, right? So because these lists are already inbuilt by Microsoft in this Excel application. If you want to type days, for example Monday, and if yes, it is taking automatically all the remaining months as well, right? But if I type a country name called as India, and when you simply drag it down, system is taking only India. When you type January, system is filling the remaining months automatically. When you type Monday, system is filling the remaining days automatically. But when you type India, system is not able to understand system is not able to understand what exactly, because these lists are already created and saved in Microsoft Office application. So system understand what we are expecting, but here the country list has not been inserted in this Excel application, so it is not able to understand. So if you want to add your country list, simply go to file and simply go to options. There you find the option called as advanced, and simply use the down handler, just come down. There you may see that edit custom list. Yes, when we type January, system is automatically filling the remaining month because all the months are already given to the system, right? So now we are going to create a new list for a country. For just I would like to add around 5 or 6 countries. So simply select new list and type the name: India, China, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, XYZ country, USA, maybe some. So here I'm simply clicking on add, then okay. So okay, in the future, whenever you type the country name as India, and whenever you just drag, then system now understand, okay, now the list has been taken automatically. So this is how we add a custom list into the Excel, and ensure that this here in book number 1 I have created a custom list. Even if you close it, and I'm not going to save, don't save. In the future, whenever you open any Excel application in this respective computer, in this respective laptop, the data will be saved, right? In the future, wherever you are, if you once type as India, and if you once drag it down, system automatically taking the remaining country name. This custom list will be saved in this laptop or in this PC MS application, not in the sheet, not in the workbook. Remember it, right? So this option will help you. So for example, in my office I have totally around 100 employees. So each time I cannot type 100 employee name. So simply I'll be go to file and options and go to advanced, just drag down, and there click on custom list and simply type your, for example, Mohan, Krishna, John, Priya, A, B, C, D, some whatever you like, right? So you simply click on add and OK. So in the future, whenever you like to add your employee name, simply type one name as Mohan, and if you once drag down it, you may see that automatically system taking Mohan, Krishna, John and Priya and so on. So this is how it works. And before closing, I would like to show one more thing, that is that how to fill down or how to fill up. So here I'm going to write as John. So when you drag down, system is going to taking all the months, right? But now I don't want to take all the months, I would like to fill only John. So in that cases, simply select the range that wherever you like to fill, and yes, you may use the shortcut key as a Ctrl+D. First copy this, simply select the range and press Ctrl+D to fill down series, and again you also can press Ctrl+R to fill series in right. Once again I repeat, first select the range, Ctrl+D to fill down, or Ctrl+R to fill right. That is, and you also can use the menu function by going where, yes, select the range, go to home menu, there you may see the options, fill, here fill down and fill right. So whenever you are typing Mohan or whenever you are typing the country name India, so whenever you just drag them, it is automatically taking the other names, right? So if you want to delete your custom list from this Microsoft Excel application, from this computer or this laptop, go to file and go to options, click on advanced, just drill down there, click on edit custom list, select the Mohan, Krishna, John, click on delete, OK, and select India, China, Sri Lanka, then delete, then OK, and click on OK. So in the future, if you type India and if you once drag down, system copy, system repeats only India. If you type Mohan and if you drag down Mohan, system is copying only Mohan, because there is no custom list were added in this Excel application right now. So this is how it works. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.